Your time is really valuable. Spend it on marketing that matters. Using Autodemo's Streamlined process, we create engaging explainer and demo videos that optimize your time without sacrificing quality. First, simply fill out a content brief with your key messages, audience, and content ideas. Now everyone can buy in and we're ready to kick off the project. Your producer will also arrange for the capture session, where your content expert will convey all the important visuals and insights. Next, we write your voiceover script, carefully articulating your message in the distinct voice of your brand. Feel free to make any edits you'd like at this stage. If we're building an explainer, we'll move to the conceptual process of storyboarding. Here, the visual flow is outlined to bring your script to life. In the beta phase, we'll develop the first draft of the video with professional voiceover and invite you to share your feedback. Then we'll make your requested revisions and present the final video for approval. After delivery, we'll help to ensure your video gets noticed. With a small amount of your time, our streamlined process will make a big impact. Reach out to us today to get started.